Guys, welcome back to my channel. So alright, so today, as you can see from the title, I'm doing a haul. I told you guys that I was coming with the hauls, and I have a lot more coming up, so you want to stay tuned because the girl is switching it up. I really would love to get back into lookbooks, but we're not gonna get into that. It breaks my heart when I have to talk about that because I really do love my lookbooks. But anyways, so yeah, today, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a fitness haul, a gym wear haul. You guys know I go to the gym religiously. I go to the gym like 4 to 5 times a week, and your girl likes to look good when she's working out. Like, presentation is key every and anywhere I go. You know, I mean, I do have my off days when really can't matter and I just want to wear one crocus bag. But for the most part, I like to, you know, I like to look cute. I like to really just put my best foot forward because you never know. An opportunity might just present itself. You want to look your best. But anyways, so yeah. So today's haul is from Forever 21. I've actually always ordered like gym wear, only gym wear. That's weird to me. I've never really ordered anything else from Forever 21. It's just always been like gym wear for me personally. I don't know why, but there are leggings that I ordered from Forever 21 that lasted me like up to 2-3 years. Quality's been good. So yeah, I guess probably because it's so durable, that's the reason why I probably always end up going back. But the first outfit I want to show you guys today, I already have it on, so let's jump into it. So the first piece is this hoodie. Well, it's not a hoodie, it's like, it looks like that. This is the athletic pullover, they say, but it doesn't have a pullover thing, but it's black. Yeah, that's the name of it. Literally, I got it in a size small, and this is how it looks. You can like zip it up. That's cute. That's if the time is like chilly though. Like if you're in, but also for me personally, like you see, like when I'm ready to like really burn, I usually wear these type of stuff. Like if I want to burn in my mid area or just sweat, it's good to wear one of these like long sleeve things to the gym, and being in the heat is even better because you sweat even more. So that's why I really got this. The material is really thick. It's really thick, and I really like that. I love the little zip detail. It really adds, you know, to the style. And yeah, this is how it looks. It's comfy. Down here is cinched. Down here is it's cinched, so that's nice. It's a cropped like vibe. And yeah, even the wrist portion of it is cinched, like it has elastic band in there, and the quality, you can just feel that it's durable. Like you can definitely feel that this will last. For the leggings, I have on the legging long mint / multi. That's what it says here, and I got this in size small. I regret getting it into size small because it's too tight. It's just way too tight. Yeah, I'm gonna give this one to my sister because it's just too tight. Come all the way up, but like it's just too tight. So it would have been better if I had like a medium, but it still fit. Like it fit, like it's cinched. The material feels very durable. I love that about it. So yeah, now that I've gotten into rating houses, like I always want to rate the pieces, but yeah, that's how I feel about that one. Okay, so for this one, it just says black / copper because that's the color. That's the name of this set, black / copper. And I got the bottom in a medium, the top in a small, because this isn't sold together. As you know, a lot of these sites, they don't usually like sell the matching stuff. Sometimes, like if there isn't, like if you don't go in the category for like matching sets or so, you'll have to buy it separately. So that's what I had to do. So the top is small, the bottom is medium, and of course I think it speaks for itself. I bought it because of the style. No, the problem I'm having with this is this. So I've been lifting like heavy, and it's a goal for me to get thicker in my thighs. So like for some small, they don't necessarily fit, like they're too tight. so I need now like medium for some of my bottoms. I still do wear small for some of them, but for some I really do need medium because your girl is getting a little thick. So but the top still remains small. So with this now, it's like the waist now not really match. So see what going on now? So what I'll have to do, I can go and alter this. That's what I'll do. But I feel like I'm actually going to wear this to the gym tomorrow. By the time you see this, I would have already worn it, and just wear my waist trainer on it, because I wear my waist trainer or my belt to burn. I can sweat excessively in that area. So yeah, love the whole half and half thing. I really do like the whole half and half look. So for like, sorry about the glare in the back, it's my ring light. But so for like the material for this now, it doesn't feel as thick, but I expected it to kind of be like this. It doesn't feel like super thin though. That's one thing that I love about the feel of this. It doesn't feel like super thin, so that's nice. I like the little styling, the little details. Really, it really grabbed me with that. That's it. Oh, by the way, I'll put the link to the site in the description box. I'm not sure if I can find the specific link to each piece, but I'll try. And you can just check out my description box if you're interested in any of these pieces. But yeah, so for this one, guys, I really love the fit for this one. I love the little detail, this little tie action. Here's what grabbed me to this. They just call this one Seafoam. That's what I see on the tags for this, and when I was ordering it, Seafoam, and it's like a mint like color. Yeah, as you can see, it's long. It goes all the way down to my ankles, and this one was really easy to go up on me. I guess this one was easier to go up on me because the material, like the material for this is thinner, but I can still feel like it's like not cheap. You know, it doesn't feel cheap, and like it's going to wear out really easily. So I love that. And the stretch, yes, it has good stretch. That's what I meant when I spoke about the sizing earlier, that some things I'll probably have to say I don't actually start getting nothing in medium to that, but I realize that for some things, if I want it to be more comfortable, I get it in medium. Now for this, it's really, really comfy on me. Really, really comfy. And I love the color. I'm back in this top, but the thing is, it's not about this. It's about the legging. It's about leggings. So I love the print on this. I really love the print on this. But the thing is the material is so thick. So the same problem I had with the first one is what I'm having with this. This is not as bad though. It's not as like restricted, but like the waist, the line here that should be up here is like, it's too low. So I think I'm gonna give this to my sister too, but the quality feels so good. So I'd say probably I'd have to get a medium in this one just for it to feel better. I could still wear it, but I don't like the fit. Definitely could still wear it, but I just don't like the fit at all for me, you know. But it's so nice, so nice, and it goes all the way down to my ankles, so that's nice. The price point for most of these pieces were like, the leggings were like, you know, in the 20s, you know, so like low 20s, like $22, $20. Yeah, I didn't really go above that. And the tops, some of them were the same amount or less. I didn't really go above that. But yeah, so just to give you an idea of the pricing. But yeah, that's how that one looks. I'm so bummed that it not really fit the way we want it to fit. It go up, but I'm not gonna feel comfortable wearing it, you know. So now that we got that out of the way, let's move on to the next piece. I bought more leggings than I did than tops. So for the rest of them, I believe I only have leggings left, so I'm gonna make sure you guys leggings. So the thing now, this one, from the moment I saw this one, I was like, no ma'am, I get this in a medium, and I'm happy that I got it in a medium. Only thing is that I realized when I get them in medium, I'm going to have to alter the waist portion. That's annoying, but I gotta do what I gotta do. And next thing is, when you alter them in the lace portion, because some of them don't have, like this, don't have much stretch, I might have to get a zip on it so that it will close, because it's like, oh my god, this is so annoying. It's so, I know, it's so annoying, but I love, it's charcoal. One thing that I realized with Forever 21, they're not really do the fancy name thing. So it's just them charcoal leggings, and it's a high rise, and it's size medium. So this is the con that I'm talking about. Like, this is how the material looks. It's nice, it's not too thick, but it's definitely not thin, but it's nice, and it has a good amount of stretch, but it's not like stretchy. Next piece is this sweatpants. They call this long knit pants. So this is how this looks. It's the color sage. I got this in small. Like this now, the mirror can get them in a small. The only thing, this area is a little bit too too big. Sometimes I don't really like that, because then my thigh portion is like pulling it out, but I still go wear it, you know. But this is the only portion. Like I don't really like the fit of this right there. So what grabbed me as well was the detail here. I like the little zipper here. That's really cute. And then the ankle portion has elastic band. Sometimes I don't really love that, you know. I don't really love it, but most of these pants come with this, and I don't like it. Sometimes it look weird in some shoes. Definitely wouldn't wear this to the gym. Like I wouldn't wear this. This is not a gym vibe. I just bought this because I really do genuinely love sweats, and sometimes I just really want to feel comfortable more than anything. So I like having these pants, so I'm just gonna add it to that collection. But I wouldn't wear this to the gym. But this is like casual, definitely going out to shop, you know, grocery shopping, regular shopping, just running errands. That's the vibe that this gave me. So that's why I got it. This one, it definitely speaks for itself. Like you could definitely see, like I picked it because of the design, the color, the blend of colors, the whole tie-dye vibe. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Like it's just gorgeous. I love the material. Feels good. The material is what I expected as well, and I actually got this in a size small because it's a biker shorts, and it did give me that whole feeling like with the first legging, where if it was a long leggings, I would probably have to give it away, but because it's a biker shorts, it's way more manageable and easier to go up on me, and it's comfy, you know. So this one I could definitely rock with, because it's a shorts. It's not like super thick, but it's not thin either. Definitely going to be squat proof. This one is actually Seafoam blush and gray. That's the color, that's the name of this one. They just put the colors of the leggings basically, and it's long, as you can see. No, I got this in a medium. So just like the others, it's too big in the waist, but it'll work, it'll do. I'll alter them, and if I don't get around to altering each and every one of them in time, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my waist trainer on, because honey, I'm gonna wear them, and I really love them. I love the placement of the colors for this one. Really, that's what really grabbed my attention to it. So I said, okay, let me go ahead and get this. And the material is very comfy. It's not too thick. It's that same kind of it's not spandex. Is spandex? It's like spandex. Yeah, it's like that spandex kind of material. So it's very stretchy and it's easy to work with. I feel like I maybe should have gotten this. No, I think I made a good choice in getting this in a medium actually and not a small. So that's the only thing with the waist. It's really nice. That's the final piece for this haul. Let me know what you guys think about it. Go ahead and drop your comments down below. Let me know what other, like, drop some suggestions of like some cool clothing, like cool clothing sites that you want me to check out, because that would be really cool. Like I love just dressing up and everything beauty, everything fashion. That's the girl Petites. That's me. So just drop, you know, some places that you want to see me get. Don't drop Wish though. I'm not saying I get none from Wish. I'm not saying I get none from Wish. I should do it as an experiment video. I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's haul video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, stay tuned for my next haul. I have some rating hauls coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on a nice clean self. Bye.